What is up, Petrolheads? Welcome to today's video. As you can see, today is a very special one. First ever car feature on the channel. As you can see, we have this absolutely beautiful silver supercharged Honda Accord. So it's going to be a very exciting one. So if you like this sort of content and you want to see more variety, lads, don't forget to like and subscribe down below so I can bring you more of this stuff. And yeah, let's head into it. Lads, now we're inside the Accord with Guy, the supercharged Accord, so we're going to go out for a drive and experience about what it's like. Oh, that's class, man. Banging off the limiter. It is pulling, man, it is pulling. For such a big heavy car, man, it just goes, doesn't it? It just revs and it goes.
Picks up well. It's got the long gears, so you can just put your foot down and just keeps on pulling.
The thing is about this car, you don't feel the speed that much, if you get what I mean. Yeah,
big family saloon.
Exactly, 100%. It's a big family saloon sort of car. It's very practical. Like you get your, you
get a couple of push chairs in the back.
Exactly. So it's very practical. It's a very practical car. The boot is absolutely fucking massive. So it's just, the crazy thing about it is just you don't feel like you're going that fast. And you look at the speedo and you're like, Jesus, we're dying. There he goes. He pins you back in the seat properly as well. I don't know if you can hear the supercharger. You should be able to hear it on camera, but it pins you back so well. And it's going, Jesus. It's just pulling and pulling. Every single gear, it feels like it's just never ending. It just keeps pulling, it just keeps going.
Gearbox rebuilt at Grin Speed, so
there we go. Yeah.
It's had the master rebuild kit with new synchros and stuff. It needed a new second gear because it was a little bit worn.
Yeah. It's a little crunchy.
Stage 3 act clutch, lightweight flywheel.
Yeah.
And then it's got the M Factory race pack LSD.
Okay.
Just to help.
Yeah, just to help with the torque and all that stuff. Yeah.
When you give it something around the corners, you can definitely feel it.
So you stick it down, 100%. With the supercharger, once again, what's the brand of the supercharger? What's it?
So the brand of the supercharger is CT Engineering.
Okay, yeah.
So they were once Comptech.
Okay, right.
And they closed to start up CT Engineering. And CT Engineering has actually stopped now as well. So these are the supercharger Scott isn't available.
You can't get them anymore. Yeah, 100%.
But luckily, Merc Racing do stuff which you can utilise on it.
Yeah.
So one of the things which is on the list, which I desperately need to do, is get the aftercooler for it, which Merc Racing do one especially for this supercharger.
Fucking it's sticking. What tyres have you got on this thing? Oh, it's sticking around the corner. Jeez, the power is pushing.
So yeah, I've got the Goodyear Eagle F1s.
Goodyear Eagle F1s, there you go.
Asymmetric frames.
I can confirm they're working well.
I've had them on here sort of ever since I've had the car, and they're just a good all-rounder. It's like, even with the extra power, they've never let me down. I can push around the corners and I feel safe. And obviously, being in England with the weather being
of course, a bit wet.
Random, you're safe in the wet.
Oh man, it pulls whatever gear you're in. Just drop the gear down and it just goes forever. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's still pulling, still pulling, still pulling. resist in this car. It's just going on forever, man. And the brakes in here as well. What brakes have you got?
I got so I've got K-Sports. They're 356mm, 8 pots.
Okay, yeah.
So yeah, they stop me well.
They are massive, mate. Like honestly, they're almost fill out the whole alloy.
I got 18-inch wheels, and yeah, they pretty much fill the whole space out. You know?
I mean, it's needed for the sort of power.
With going fast, you need to stop fast.
100%.
There's that Mustang again.
There's another Mustang.
Chase after it.
We've absolutely chopped a Mustang earlier, by the way. So if the Mustang owner is watching, no tears have been shed during this video.
You want to do this all the time?
It is going, boys. Fucking hell, it's pulling. Oh my god. I love this thing. It's such a fresh, new experience, you know what I mean?
It doesn't get boring either.
I know.
It's been supercharged for 3 years now. And
There you go.
I love it now, you know?
How much does this thing weigh? About 1400 maybe?
Yeah, she's quite a fat girl. It's about 14, I think.
There you go. So about 1400 kg, but with the power you're running this, by the way, this Supercharged Accord is running 340 brake horse. So
Yeah.
that sort of power, you know, almost getting up there near 400, that sort of power is a lot for, you know, this sort of car. You don't need to go, you know, strip everything out. I mean,
That's it, you know, you still got your comfort.
exactly. The solution for not having to strip out is add more power. that's literally, you know, strap a supercharger or a turbo on it, add more power, and you're good.
Yeah.
You're good to go. You don't even need to strip anything out, you know.
But yeah, I did it the right way. I've had the car for nearly 7 years now.
Okay,
and,
yeah.
Yeah, it's like, obviously I've just done it bit by bit over the years.
Yeah, of course,
Started
yeah,
off
as you
with
do.
sort of more the handling sort of thing, you know, coilovers, camber arms, that sort of thing.
100%, yeah.
Pretty much every arm underneath the car is hard race.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know, doing that with coilovers, having decent tyres,
Exactly,
wide
yeah.
wheels, just helps it grip well.
As I'm just editing the video, I've only just realised I forgot to record the outro to the video. So I just wanted to say thanks to Chris, Guy and Chunks for popping up and just really making this video happen in general. It was a lot of fun, it was a great day out, and yeah, if you also enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. I really greatly appreciate it. I really want to grow out this channel and this community in general, so I can bring you more of this content and more variety in general. You know, I've got other car shows, car meets, car projects, and other car features coming up very soon in the future. In fact, next video is going to be a car feature on a very, very special car, just like this one. And yeah, also if you got any, ideas on how I can improve these videos and improve this channel, and other ideas of what I can do in the future and what you'd like to see, let me know in the comment section below, because I really want to make this as best as I can, because I'm really enjoying this. So let me know. And yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you lads in the next one.